Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to customize slicer button style. So let's start this is my Excel and here you can see I have a data with the slicer. So here I'm going to change the style of button. So these are the buttons, the product name. Okay. So to change the slicer button style, simply click on the slicers and go to the slicer tab. And here you can see the buttons group. You can change the height of the button, you can change the width of button, and you can change the columns of buttons. Okay. So I change here the height. You just click on the up arrow to increase the height of buttons. You can see the changes over here. Okay. And you can click on the down arrow to decrease it. You can enter here manually also. Just click on it, select it, and you can just edit here. Okay. And just enter. That's it. And same as width, just click on the up arrow to increase the width of slicer. See the changes over here. To decrease the width, just click on the down arrow and you can enter here manually also. And for columns, you can see the one column is here default created in slicer. If you want in two column, just click on the up arrow, see the two column. Three column, you can set. Four column, you can set. And you just drag the points and you can set here the buttons here in horizontal. So you can see your slicer in horizontal. Okay. So if you want five columns, you can set as same as here. You can see it's slicer in horizontal totally showing here. Okay. If you don't want a header, okay, this is a header. So just go to the slicer and in slicer group, click on the slicer settings. And in slicer setting, in header, just untick this display header option. Just untick this and click on it. Okay. And you can see now only the button is showing. Okay. You can simply click on the any button and you can see the filter is applied in your data. Okay. And that's it. So here you can also sort this button. Simply click on the slicer and go to the slicer tab. In slicer settings, and here you can see the slicer settings is open. And the last option, item sorting and filtering. So the ascending A to Z is selected. If you want descending, just click on the descending A, Z to A and click on the OK and see the changes here. The backpack and coffee is the first two showing here the buttons. And when I click on OK and see here, the water, you can just drag corner point to showing the full name of this button. Okay. Water bottle and smartphone is showing the first two. Okay. Z to A sorting. So that's it. Hope you understood how to customize this slicer button. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.